Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share a text pack for Alight Motion that you can use in your edit. This pack includes a lot of different text styles that are clean and useful to make your edits look better. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Now, let's check out a quick preview.